experience to actually see how this works and what happens when you drive through like a mangling machine, all of the bits flying around and doing stuff, and the car can still reverse and go through the next one, and it comes out like that and bounces around, and then the engine still works and the wheels still rotate even when the car is in that type of format. So it's really impressive, what they can do with putting the amount of sort of energy into working with those formulas, and also the gaming platforms that are coming out can actually do the sums that make this type of stuff possible. So does anybody know who this guy is? Isaac Newton. It's not James May from Top Gear, although it does look very like him. Everybody learns about him at school. He came up with the laws of motions and the theories of gravitation. Really famous for that, and a lot of the stuff that I've used in the game is based on those laws of motion, laws of gravitation. This one's a bit harder. Euler, yeah, you're the first person who's got that, and I've done this session a lot of times, and you've also pronounced it correctly as well. Leonhard Euler, a couple of things that he was responsible for. One of them is the Euler integration, which is kind of a basic way of doing simulation in game physics, and I'll talk about how that works a bit later on. It's not the best way to do it, but it's probably the easiest way to get in and start simulating physics. When I was reading up on him, another thing that he had worked with is graph theory. Which was really interesting because this is now becoming really something that's really talked about with graph databases, social networks, Twitter and Facebook, and all of the actual relations, and how you follow certain people and certain people follow you. All that type of stuff was something that he was also behind coming up with a lot of the actual ground theory for that. So what I started doing was, working out the actual forces that are going to be applied to a car. So there's a car. We've got obviously gravity pulling the car down onto the track. The car's going to be, going forwards. We've got an engine which is powering it, so we've got